Hey guys, so we are trying a new foundation today. Just left Sephora, picked up the Haus Labs foundation. I've been hearing a lot of great things about it. The guy at Sephora hyped it up, so I said let's try it. Now he did shade match me in the store. I don't know why I always fall for it, but we're gonna see if this is giving. Okay, let's see. I got the shade 490 medium deep cool. Now cool foundations typically run a little gray on me. It's too neutral, but he said that the cool is actually warm. We'll see. I'm just gonna spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. I did do a quick swatch in the store and it seemed like it is going to work. Now my only concern is how is it going to oxidize? Am I going to be looking gray by the end of the day? Because I went also and picked up my Holy Grail Makeup Forever foundation and the color is different and I'm sad about it because y'all know I've been wearing Makeup Forever for years and years and years, but this new formula they got going on is just not it. So that's why I'm on the market for a new foundation because y'all know I really don't switch it up when it comes to skin. So far this looks really good. Like I said, I did like a quick little swatch in the store and it did seem like it was a good color match. And I don't like mixing foundations, so I don't want to buy two shades. But this looks really good. So I am going to go out, run a few errands. It is warm today, 75 degrees. So we're going to see how this holds up. I did not use a primer. So for concealer, I'm going to use the NARS Creamy Radiant. I haven't used this in some years and I wanted to pick it up again to see if I liked it. I remember liking the color, but I don't know how good the coverage is. If you are a chocolate girl, what concealers are y'all using to highlight under your eyes? I have to know. Yeah, I do love the color. I love concealers that have like that golden undertone because it just gives you a nice glow under the eye. Your girl might have to incorporate some eye cream or something in my skincare because my eyes have been kind of giving a little baggy lately. Come on now. I'm going to set under eye with Fenty and Cashew. All right, so I'm just going to set my face with the NARS Light Reflecting Powder. I like this because it's super lightweight and I really want to see how this foundation acts kind of on its own. And this is in the shade Sable, which I think is the darkest shade. So, by the way, I just celebrated a birthday. I had a really good time. I kept it really simple. I went and hung out with my little one. We went to lunch. I took him to the park. And then later on that night, I went out for drinks. Kept it really simple, honestly. But I did enjoy my day. So I'm going to contour with the Juvia's Place. But it looks pretty. It looks really, really pretty. Very natural. I would say this is definitely medium coverage. But yeah, this is really pretty. If you watched my last vlog, I tried these out and loved them. So I'm going to wear them again today. Definitely going to leave the link below. You need these. You need these. Like these give demi wispies with a little bit more flair. So what I'm doing now is I'm just like pushing down on the lash so that my skin kind of tucks the band. I don't want to wear liner at all. Okay. This is Sephora Molasses, my new favorite brown. I have been absolutely loving it. Go in with a little bit of Fenty chocolate. So I'm gonna just get this hair together. I've been working out, so it's a little flat. We gotta revive her. So I am gonna have to put a little bit of heat in my bang area because I do have some tracks like for fullness, but my hair is so puffy. Somebody did ask for a tutorial on how to get this look. Really easy to do. So what I did is I left my perimeter out, braided the middle, and then just used clip ends around in a circle like that. And then I took the remainder of the hair and just wrapped it around my little bitty bun that I got going on at the top. So I'm gonna have to redo this, and when I redo it, I'm gonna film it because this is cute. Like, this is giving, okay? I love this. This is perfect if you kind of like, if you want to wear this style for like a couple days, the clips are fine. But if you plan on wearing it for like a week, 2 weeks, I would just recommend sewing your hair down. But I really have been loving this style. I never ever wear my hair up because I don't like my ears. Like my little ears, y'all, I know. But the little bang kind of hides it a little bit. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this style a lot more. So I'm just going to wrap. So on my birthday, what I did was I just did the bun and like pulled it out and kind of gave it like a messy look. The bang also helps with that forehead because whoosh, sheesh, that forehead, honey. Hope the back looks decent. If not, that's just what the people are gonna get. I'm literally just gonna go one pass because of course we're trying to avoid too much heat. I'm trying to figure out how I should style my hair moving forward. Like, I really love this look, but I can already tell that I'm gonna have to always be putting heat in it every day, you know, especially in the front to make it look decent. I mean, since you're already here, let's get dressed too. So here's natural light right in front of my window, and yeah, I'm not getting gray vibes at all. This is a perfect match, y'all. I love it. So this is just a like a basic t-shirt from Zara, but you can wrap it. You can either go to the back or to the front. So yeah, I'm gonna change the pants. These are super old boyfriend jeans that I got from, I think, Old Navy or H&M. I think Old Navy, but not sure what shoes I want to wear. It is 75 degrees, but I'm just not quite ready for sandals yet. So I could do my Yeezys or my trusty Air Max 97s. I told you I wear these a lot because the gold in it makes it kind of like dressy. Yeah, I'm gonna wear these Ray-Bans, and that's the look. And my fragrance of the day is going to be Mojave Ghost from Bday. Such a good everyday scent. Super fresh. And we're out the door. All right, so this is after a very full day. I went to lunch, I went to the bookstore, I took Jace to soccer practice, and I was just about to forget to film an update, and this is me like not touching my face. I think it held up pretty good. I did kind of rub my eye quite a bit here because my allergies are starting to acting up, but for the most part, I think it's held up pretty good.